To help with this kind of garden work, we've been gifted 2 new tools by Prunarbo, a fairly new tool brand. One is a handheld chainsaw and the other a pair of battery-powered clippers, and they come with a telescopic extension pole so that you can also clip and cut branches that are high up. Both have actually been on my wish list for a while, but yeah, other things are always more important, so I'm really happy to finally add these to the tool collection. And I'm not planning to finish everything this week, since the facade takes priority before it gets too cold, but I'm curious to see how they handle thick branches.